First open your terminal. Now type sudo apt install ffmpeg. Here type Y and press enter. After installing that, type sudo apt install obs-studio. Here type Y and press enter. Now you have successfully installed OBS Studio. To open OBS Studio, click on the top left corner and type OBS. You can see OBS Studio there. When you open it for the first time, it will ask for configuration. Choose what you want and click on Next. After that, click on Apply Settings and your setting will be applied. To record your screen, click on the plus icon below the Sources tab and select Screen Capture.